My dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Students, today we will discuss about sounds of vowel U. Before discussing our today's topic, firstly I will tell you how to start your work in the notebook. Students, on the left hand side you will mention current date. Then on the right hand side you will mention current day, like which day is today. After that, on next line you will write heading of the work, that is sounds of U. Now read its spelling with me. S-O-U-N-D-S. I repeat, S-O-U-N-D-S. Sounds. O-F of vowel U. This is small u in cursive writing. Students, U sounds A. U sounds A. Now on next line, you will write UN unsound words. UN unsound words. Now start your today's topic. You will also speak with me. And don't use capital letters in sound words. Use only small letters. Let's begin. B U N bun. Bun. I repeat, bun. B-U-N bun. Now next, G-U-N gun. Gun. G-U-N gun. Now next, S-U-N sun. Sun. S-U-N sun. Now next, N-U-N none. None. N-U-N none. Next one is R-U-N run. Run. R-U-N run. Now last but not least, this is F-U-N fun. Fun. Now one more time, read these words with me. Bun. B-U-N bun. Gun. G-U-N gun. Sun. S-U-N sun. Now next, N-U-N none. None. Next one is R-U-N run. Run. Now next one, F-U-N fun. Fun. Students, I hope you got it very well. Do this work in your English Fair notebook and learn it also. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.